24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Learning objectives. Students should be able to use and, join two words or sentences, make small sentences with the joining word and, recall, draw different pictures on the board. For example, a duck and a duckling, a duster and a pencil. Introduction. Using the pictures on the board, say the names of the pictures and then use them in sentences. This is a duck and a duckling. This is a duster and a pencil. Read. Write different sentences on the board according to the pictures. Read with the students. For example, this is Hamad and Aisha. This is a paper and a pencil. Recognition. Use the board for practice and use real-life objects. Hold a pencil and a pen in the hand. Tell the students to say a complete sentence about it. Place a chair and a table side by side and encourage them to make sentences. Review. Make a worksheet as a sample given below. Writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.